Привет! Меня зовут Alisa. Hello, my name is Alisa. I'm a native Russian speaker. Today we will talk about some basic colors in Russian language, and after that, at the end of the video lesson, we're gonna learn some grammar connected to colors. So let's start. So the first color for today is gonna be red. Красный. Красный. R is challenging. Try to roar. R. Красный. After that goes black. Черный. Черный. Ch sound is difficult. Make something similar to the sound ch in the English word chair. And then yo, we pronounce like o basically. Черный. Черный. After that goes white. Белый. 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 Good. Now blue. Синий. 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 Yellow. Желтый. Желтый. Yo, after je, we pronounce basically like o again. Желтый. Желтый. Green. Зеленый. Зеленый. Ye after ze is not stressed. Don't even try to pronounce it like ye. It is e, closer to e. Зеленый. Зеленый. Wonderful. Now orange. Оранжевый. Оранжевый. O is not stressed. Pronounce it like a. Оранжевый. Оранжевый. Now pink. Розовый. 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 And the last color, brown. Коричневый. A bit challenging. Коричневый. O after ka is not stressed, so pronounce it a. Коричневый. 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 Good. Now let's use those colors in dialogues. The question that we're going to learn is, what is your favorite color? But first we need to learn actually the word color in Russian language, and it is цвет. 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 Don't pronounce it like свет because it's a different word. It means the light. So цвет. Good. So since цвет is masculine, we are going to change first personal possessive pronoun your and also favorite. So these two words, one possessive pronoun and the other is adjective, they are going to be changed into masculine form. So let's start with your. In Russian it is твой. Твой. So твой. And then we have to use masculine form. For example, твой папа, твой брат, твой парень. Everything goes with твой because they are masculine. Then favorite, любимый, любимый. Твой любимый цвет. Твой любимый цвет. We are almost done. The only thing is a question word, which is какой, what, какой, какой, какой твой любимый цвет. So I'll repeat again. Since the word цвет, color, is masculine, we have changed 3 words. Какой, твой, любимый, and цвет. Okay, I just want you to understand, so let's make a question with a feminine word. For example, машина, a car, машина. Since the word is feminine, машина is feminine, we are going to change again 3 words to ask the same question. What is your favorite car? So instead of какой, we will use какая, какая. Instead of твой, we will use твоя, твоя. Instead of любимый, we will use любимая, любимая, and машина. Какая твоя любимая машина? Meaning the brand, type of car. Какая твоя любимая машина? So now you can see that the question can be made in different forms depending on the word which is the main word in this question, what you actually are asking about. Now let's concentrate on our topic on colors. So I'll repeat the question again. Какой твой любимый цвет? For example, you want to say that your favorite color is красный, red. So this is how you answer. Мой любимый цвет красный. So you take this какой question word away, take it away, and you're almost ready with the answer. Мой. Oh yeah, of course, instead of твой, your, you will say my, мой. Мой, again, it ends with y because the word is masculine, because цвет is masculine. Мой любимый цвет красный. And absolutely no verb. Мой любимый цвет красный. Or you can just answer красный. Another example. Какой твой любимый цвет? Мой любимый цвет синий. Or just синий. Moreover, you can answer something like I love, I don't like, I like. So I love, I enjoy, in Russian is gonna be я люблю, я люблю. For example, blue. Я люблю синий, я люблю синий. If you want to make a negative sentence, you just say я не люблю синий. Я не люблю синий. Or я не люблю розовый. Great. Another variant is I like. Мне нравится. Мне нравится. Word нравится is challenging. Let's see how we need to pronounce it correctly. So you can see that there are 2 consonants at the end, T, S, and then vowel ya. So this T and S you pronounce like ц, ц, ц. Нравится, нравится. You do not want to pronounce it like нравится. You spell it only this way, but you pronounce it like ц. нравится, нравится. For example, какой твой любимый цвет? Мне нравится желтый. I like yellow. Мне нравится желтый. If you want to say that you do not like something, just add не particle. Мне не нравится желтый. Or мне не нравится черный. I don't like black. Мне не нравится черный. I would also like to recommend an online Russian grammar and vocabulary course for beginners. And visit please website Learn Russian Step by Step. There you can find free online lessons, and each lesson is designed in such a way that it's only going to take 5-10 minutes of your time every day. Moreover, the video lessons are sounded by native Russian speakers, so this is really comfortable, and the content is available in 3 languages, which are English, Spanish, and French. So learn Russian step by step. Now let's concentrate on dialogues. So the aim of the dialogues is to show you colors in context. Please listen to them, repeat after me, and try to make the same dialogues by yourself. Number 1. Вау! Какое красивое платье! Я люблю синий. Спасибо. Синий – мой любимый цвет. Number 2. Какой твой любимый цвет? Мне нравится коричневый. Правда? Я не люблю коричневый. Мне нравится зеленый. Number 3. Это твой розовый телефон? Да, новый. Красивый цвет. Я люблю розовый. Number 4. Посмотри на эту машину. На желтую. Я не люблю желтый цвет. Я тоже. Желтая машина мне не нравится. This would be it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that this was useful. Well, please like the video if it was, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you're very welcome. See you soon. До встречи.